Hello, I'm Murli, Vice President of International Education Business, BISP Solutions. Now today we'll be going through a brief walk over what is iPhone application development and what are its prospects in the job market these days. So we'll see what is iPhone or iOS application development and its designing, developing, and the deploying. What is mobile application development? Mobile application development is the process by which application software is developed for low-power handheld devices, such as personal digital assistants, enterprise digital assistants, or mobile phones. Now these applications can be pre-installed on phones during manufacturing, downloaded by customers from various mobile software distribution platforms. Coming about, mobiles, we use mobiles from the point we wake up till we sleep. It's always the only device which is, in our hands and which we carry everywhere. That's the need of the mobile these days. So we have various applications installed on the mobile, starting from the alarm, from the fitness application, from the food calorie counter, to the reminder apps, then the work-based apps, and finally we have entertainment and flight apps too. So how do we develop all these apps as an iPhone developer? So as an iPhone app developer, you need a thorough knowledge of the development which goes on behind developing these apps. So we'll be seeing that what all this includes. As broadly speaking, app development can be done for various operating systems such as Android, iOS, Windows operating system, and BlackBerry, for which individual software development kits are available. But for right now, we'll be concentrating on iOS application development. So what is iOS? iOS, previously known as iPhone operating system, is a mobile operating system developed by Apple Incorporated and distributed exclusively for Apple hardware. So it is usually used in the iPhones, what we see around these days, iPads, the iPod Touch, and the Apple TV, which is used to webcast programs into your TV. Now, how does this iOS-based user interface works? It works on the direct manipulation using multi-touch gestures, such as if you want to move from one screen to the other screen on the iPhone, you can just slide it. Then you want to just open up one app, you can just tap it. Or otherwise you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can pinch or the reverse pinch the screen. So it's all based on the touch gestures of the iPhone screen. So after developing the apps, where do developers put their apps for sale? It's in the App Store. It is a single largest online marketplace for iOS apps. So according to Tim Cook, the current CEO of Apple, there are over 1 million apps on the App Store. That's a huge figure. 1 million apps currently running on the App Store. Until date, there has been 75 billion total downloads. So note down this figure over here. It's 75 billion downloads completely till date. So that's the power of iPhone applications. Now, this one. Yep. So, yeah. What are the categories of different iOS applications? There are various categories of iOS applications which start from multimedia applications. So there are regular applications such as if you want to take a photograph, or if you want to record a video, you can just go to the multimedia applications such as video recorder or camera and do the needful. Otherwise, if you're a frequent traveler and you want to book ticket online and know the online flight details, there are various travel applications embedded into the iPhone. Next, there are enterprise applications such as the mail. The mail which we use regularly is integrated into your phone, which uses the push system to read your mail on the go. Next, there are social networking applications such as Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, where you can be connected with your social beings all around the globe. Next, there are utility applications such as I was talking about, the fitness application, the reminder applications, or the food calorie count applications, which can be used for different operations. Next, there are web-based applications such as the internet browsers. You can browse the internet on the mobile phone itself. So there is Google Chrome, there is Safari browser for iOS, so in the various forms where you can browse the internet. And apart from that, there are entertainment applications such as you have Instagram, you have video editors, and you have Snapchats as entertainment applications where you can edit your videos and photographs, apply color filters, and load it into your application to show it to your social media friends. Then apart from that, there are usual games which occupies the largest segment in the iOS apps category. And apart from that, there is location-based applications such as the GPS positioning system, where maps can be read, and you can travel from one place to other place using these maps. So what's a Google trend analysis of iOS application development? Now you see the interest over time of iOS application development. From 2010, it has been growing steadily or all through the years. Now there's the latest data where March 2014 data is being shown. That's been a steadily rise in the interest of iOS application development. That shows the users of the iPhone, iPad, and all of the devices of Apple are increasing, and is directly proportional to the demand of the iOS application development professionals. Next, we see what's the job search trend analysis. So it is from Indeed.com website, where we can see that it has been constantly in rise from January 2010 till date. So this is the job search trend analysis. So what is the current skill demand for mobile app developers in the market? Now you see iOS occupies around 86% of the share of all the mobile developers skilled. So the others are on Android, Symbian, etc. But iOS has the largest share where the developers are in a huge demand. So what will be the learning path at BISP? At BISP, we provide you a perfect start in developing your first app in iOS. So the step-by-step examples will be shown to understand the underlying concepts. We'll be giving you detailed description analysis of the code written, and you can get your app running as soon as possible after completing the course. Apart from this, the core niche of BISP is that we help you design business apps for the corporate sector. So you might find many free-based tutorials in the net which do not teach you the designing of business apps, whereas we do that. We integrate your existing business intelligence tools with your existing apps. So that's the extra added advantage you'll get when you join the course from BISP. And what are the training prerequisites? So the training prerequisites are a bit of Java knowledge. You need not be a Java expert, but you should be comfortable with the basics. For students without this knowledge, A crash course in Java will be taught free of cost. I repeat, it would be a free of cost Java learning course, free of cost. Okay. So what are the implementation steps do we follow? We'll give you a hands-on training, then with real-time case studies, we show how does the app operate, and after that we give you mock interview questions and certification questions if possible for your interview support, and after getting the job we give you the post-job support. So what is BISP? BISP is an IT training and consulting company. We have been in the market for around 10 years. So we are subject matter experts for mobile application technologies. We have been teaching Android development, iOS development, and BlackBerry development courses. We provide live online global IT support and the software training. If you want lab services and online job support, we are there. So all our trainers are highly intellectual professionals with app skills. What are the company statistics? I'd like to tell you we have blog readers from more than 189 countries and a blog reads of more than 1,100,000 reads. So this is the statistics that are viewed by region, which all tops India, United States, Pakistan, Canada, United Kingdom. These are all the countries where our views from the blogs come from. And apart from that, we provide 100,000 hours of self-learning video tutorials. We have been running 100+ courses with more than 110 trainers, and we have trained more than 100,000 students in the last 5 years. That is a great credible record that we hold in various technologies. So we have the world's most recognized bloggers for business intelligence, ETL, and data warehousing product stack. And apart from that, you find a huge collection of free resources on the net. You can browse our videos on YouTube where we have case studies, lab guides, and how-to guides. And apart from that, we have a library which has over more than 50 courses. We have a commitment at BISP Solutions that we provide the best learning material, the best course delivery, the best technical documentation, and a wonderful job support, post-job support. For training inquiries, call on the numbers over here, or you can mail at support@bispsolutions.com. Thank you. Hope you found this video useful. Thanks a lot.